you are going to love the 2020 Toyota Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable mid-size car. Reliable and great, comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, Homelink garage door opener, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, brake assist, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, front reading lamps, power driver's seat. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.